body with small, powerful loins, elegantly arched and long neck, this breed of dog is known for its strength, speed, and stamina. The Mudhol Hound is an Indian breed of dog and the pride of Karnataka. It is a common companion amongst village folk and shepherds who use the dog for hunting and guarding. Puppies are in high demand and around 500 families in Mudhol are making a living by breeding these dogs. One such family is Ramanna Gastis. A tailor by profession, he is a local resident of Mudhol and took up dog breeding 25 years ago. It has been a different phase for him and he even says that these dogs are his life. He makes sure he takes good care of his dogs. For Ramanna Gasti, breeding these hounds is not only a profession but a hobby too. He maintains a close relationship with these hounds. Even after being so old, he takes them out for a walk every day without fail, gives them food thrice a day. His hounds are always pampered by him. It was just one, but now he is a proud owner of 6 other hounds.
बस में 30-25 बच्चे हैं मंगा दो एक बच्चे को 7,000 तो बच्चा तो 14,000 है वो बस में 1 लाख पैसे होते हैं वो 30,000 उसका बता
It is said that Raja of Mudhol was very fond of hunting with dogs, so he crossed his local hounds with greyhounds to increase the speed and created the breed called Mudhol Hound. Now this breed is in the verge of extinction. Hence, in order to conserve and develop the breed, Government of Karnataka has established Canine Research and Information Center in Timmapur village in Mudhol.
In 2009, our Vice Chancellor of the University, Dr. Suresh Yaswanapalwal, he initiated this action to start a conservation center for the Mudhol breed. We started conducting a survey of the Mudhol hounds in the entire district of the Bagalkot and even adjacent areas also. So in that we could able to monitor around 500 families which are actively involved in the this breed conservation.
After finding out the families, they developed their interest and told them how to conserve and breed these dogs. Out of 750 dogs, they could recognize 140 pure breeds of Mudhol hounds. They then went for microchipping of these dogs and now they are recognized by Canine Research and Information Center. This breed is a low maintenance breed in terms of grooming. They are gentle, loyal and affectionate with those they know well. Even though they are independent and can be stubborn and strong-willed, they need to be treated with sensitivity, kindness and respect. Halagalli, a village 26 kilometers away from Mudhol rural, has the real breed of Mudhol hounds being raised by 60 families. The Beda families in this village use these dogs for hunting.
Immediately after the festival, they go for hunting. These rabbits they hunt, wild rabbits. They take and they use them for eating, for their own purpose. That is one of the fashion. That is dog for that purpose. They have rare dogs earlier times. Nowadays they have developed interest to breed them because puppies have got more demand.
Apart from farming, the second most important occupation of the people is Mudhol dog breeding. This has become an alternative source of income for more than 500 families in Mudhol, and these families are actively involved in this breed conservation. Some even keep these dogs for security purpose. The head also explains the reason behind introducing the animal husbandry practice.
There are around 10-15 farmers in this area. Their income is more than a lakh per month. So in a month he is going to cross around 35 to 40 dogs in a month during the season.
Registering the puppies is very beneficial for these breeders because it lets them earn more. To conserve and develop this breed, the Canine Research and Information Center has come up with SCST scheme where they give 2 puppies to them for free.
Even Mudhol puppies for 139 people for the free of cost. He is going to deposit 2,000 rupees for the 3 years. So after the simple idea behind keeping the deposit of 2,000 is he will be having some responsibility over the dogs. But after completion of the 3-year tenure, that 2000 amount will be returned to the farmers with interest.
The families who are the beneficiaries of this scheme get all the facilities and support to maintain the dogs.
We are going to give a monthly 20 kg pet food bag, then vaccination schedules we are going to complete, then we are going to manage the dog health manage for the continuously 3 years.
People come from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra to buy these dogs, and they are ready to pay a hefty price for it.
Those people are having the estates. Once estates are there, they will be having a lot of problems in maintaining the estate activities. Monkey manage will be there, then wild animals interventions will be there in the farm. So to prevent such activities, they are keeping the Mudho dogs in clusters. If you maintain one Mudho dog in a well manner, that serves the purpose of the two security persons.
It is said that these dogs are found mostly in Bagalkot district, but officials of the Kennel Club of India talk about the existence of Mudhol hounds in Bangalore.
We bred the Mudhol hounds in the city of Bangalore and we distributed it to different people. Scattered all over Bangalore, we got around 50 Mudhol hounds. In Bangalore and other areas, there is only a hobby. And in Mudhol area, it is a source of income.
He also talks about mismating of the dogs, which he says should be avoided. Mudhol hounds are a working breed. They are intelligent, sensitive, reserved, loyal, and courageous. They show their skills in dog shows too and win several awards in their name. Their value increases as they participate in dog shows. And they go places like Bangalore, Mangalore, Goa, Kolhapur, etc. to do so.
कैसा कैसा डॉग शो में जाने लगा, ऐसा वो रोड डॉग का सब बड़ा हो गया, इसलिए वो अभी 10,000 से एक बच्चा सेल होता है. पहले 200 रुपये, 150, 50 रुपये में एक बच्चा बेचता था. कोई लेने वाला कोई नहीं था.
When asked whether the villagers choose to diversify after breeding these dogs for so many years, a veterinary doctor says it is not easy for them to do so.
They are agricultural laborers basically, and they don't have land of their own, so they cannot go for big farming like poultry or something fishery like that.
These dogs are not accustomed to live in apartment culture. They need regular exercise, but the center is reviving the rules and training them to live in between four walls.
So this dog can be kept in the apartment culture provided sufficient exercises. Only concept is as hunting of this breed is by virtue of birth. It is an instinct character of the breed. So you cannot avoid. If you are maintaining the female dog, the male dog of Mudhola, you cannot maintain a small creatures like rabbit and other, even cat, you cannot maintain in the home. We are planning to give them sufficient exercise through treadmills.
To conserve and develop Mudhol hound breed and to coordinate activities of various governmental agencies, the Canine Research Center has been successful in establishing the Mudhol Hound Growers Association. It seems to have given a second life to most of the people who do not afford to have acres of land.